In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete all archived stories on Instagram. So if you have countless number of stories you've uploaded to your Instagram stories page, and after 24 hours, Instagram will automatically archive all the stories on your page. This can be done for couples of years until or unless you clear all the archive story on your profile page. So here you learn how you can easily delete all the stories you've updated on Instagram that are archived. So if I done this video, if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is open the Instagram application. Then on the Instagram page, click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Click on the three lines at the top right like this. Now you want to scroll down all the way down until you get to how you use Instagram. Then under that, click on your activity. Now once you selected your activity, just scroll down to remove and archived content and click on archived. There you go. Then you should see story archive. If you click on this drop menu, you have option to story archive, post archive, and live archive. Here you have access to all your stories that have been deleted that are archived on Instagram, or your live videos that are archived on Instagram. However, if you have something different other than the story archive, just click on this drop menu and select stories archive. Now if you look through, you should see all the story you have updated on your Instagram page. So this is far back as 2022 and here is 2024. Now to delete this archive story, all you need to do is click on the story you want to delete. Just click on it like this. Click on the three dots at the bottom right. Then you should see this menu. Go ahead and click on delete story. There you go. Then tap delete story from there, pop up, then deleting. This is going to delete the story. Repeat it again on other stories on your archive page to delete them. So just keep repeating them. Now once you're done deleting it, go back and pick another story again on your archive. Click on delete story, delete. There you go. So this is how you can delete archive stories on Instagram. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.